Our health and wellness depend on our conscious living, and Srila Prabhupada gave us an easy and sublime process to achieve it. Hare Krishna, I'm Gopinath Das, a physician here in Boulder, Colorado. I'm board certified in internal medicine and integrative holistic medicine. This health optimization workshop level 1 is intended to be an introduction to prioritizing health creation as a daily practice of lifestyle. It will facilitate finding answers to such burning questions as what are the laws of well-being and how can these laws support our collective and individual spiritual growth. What do we need our health for? Do our current lifestyles and social compulsions fuel chronic non-communicable diseases? And if so, what are some simple solutions? How to see optimal health as an immediate reality rather than a distant dream. Sincere spirituality seekers, especially Krishna devotees, comprise a tiny portion of population in the world today, yet they are making significant contributions to its spiritual well-being. Ironically, in our communities, especially in USA and India, it seems that stroke, heart attack, arthritis, diabetes, high blood pressure, various neurological ailments, especially in middle and elder age groups, seem to be similar to that in general population. Srila Prabhupada translated Bhakti Yoga into the phrase Krishna consciousness. The word consciousness opens up a realm of infinite possibilities at individual, community, and global levels. When we see ourselves as parts and parcels of Krishna and cultivating mode of goodness, in other words, an inner state of transparency, we gain immense power at body, mind, and spirit. But currently, devotees have nothing to show for this empowerment, at least going by the health trends we are seeing today. The Vedas inform us that this body is just not a physical structure because of its capacity to resolve imbalances and heal spontaneously to the degree we are aligned to the higher self. Modern medical science is verifying these concepts, and consciousness-based approaches are already revolutionizing healthcare. This workshop will explore solutions of the current and ancient systems of medicine to give you individualized plan for a balanced lifestyle. Diet, sleep, personally directed spiritual practice, emotional harmony, synchronizing with biorhythms are some simple pillars of lifestyle. For example, the diet we ingest not only influences our intestinal health, but also critical genes which govern our body's internal inflammation. Lack of sleep has been associated with dementia, unresolved emotional problems with cancers, physical inactivity with depression and diabetes, lack of nature connection is associated with anxiety and hypertension. Eating at wrong times creates various imbalances, and the list goes on. So failure to understand such governing principles based on half knowledge puts us at a disadvantage. We recently concluded the audible chanting of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra has the power to protect resilience against chronic disease and also improve our power of self-regulation, which is a marker of long-term wellness. This first of its kind clinical scientific study was done among healthy American volunteers who had no prior experience with mantra meditation here at the Prabhupada Research Institute for Integrative Medicine. So I invite you to attend this 2-day workshop taking place in Alachua, Florida over this coming Columbus Day weekend. I sincerely thank Krishna Institute and team for organizing this much awaited seminar. It is our humble attempt to equip you with skills to make better decisions in your self-care and your devotional service for a long time to come. Hari Bol.
The Krishna, Kirtana